Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi. This is required for discovery. Once your phone and TV are on the same network, open the Cast to TV app and grant any permissions it asks for so it can find devices. Tap the device list right away and select your TV. This initiates the handshake. If the TV prompts to allow the connection, accept it. These first steps establish a communication channel so streaming can proceed smoothly. Once connected, pick what you want to cast: a local video, a URL, or a compatible streaming source. You should configure playback options now, set resolution to match your TV, choose audio output, and enable subtitles if needed, because changes during playback can glitch the stream. Tap play to begin. While casting, use the app's transport controls to pause, seek, or change volume. The phone acts as the remote, so you stay in control without touching the TV. To finish, stop casting in the app so the TV releases the session. This prevents background playback and frees the TV for other devices. If you see stutter or dropouts, make sure the phone uses the 5 GHz band or lower the stream quality, because bandwidth issues are the usual culprit. If the app won't pair, restart both devices and reauthorize the connection. One key tip: rebooting the app and TV clears cached errors and resolves most pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.